Is this your jacket? I'm sorry? Yes?
It's mine too.
Is this yours?
Yeah.
No, that's mine.
It's brand new.
Yeah. Stop lying, man. Why are you lying?
No, but I can always pay, right, sir?
No, you cannot.
It wasn't my fault. It made
You just said you weren't calling the cops.
Yeah, but
You said that 3 different times.
On New Year's Day, two strangers walked into the same Pennsylvania Target and walked out in handcuffs. What the body cam captured next is a felony charge. The law itself may not support 3 contradictory stories told in 5 minutes, and the legal mistakes that decided everything.
When you said I thought.
Hello, officer.
Hello.
Sorry.
Hi.
Have a seat, please.
I didn't mean to do this. I can pay this.
Okay, so she has in her purse around $300 worth of unpaid merchandise. So just take everything out, okay?
Yeah, I'll pay for it.
Yeah, take it out.
All right. No, I was gonna give it to somebody. Okay? I'll pay for it, I promise.
Right now it's too late, right? To pay for it? You already tried stealing it?
No, but I can always pay, right, sir?
No, you cannot.
Huh?
You already comprehended those.
But I'll pay for it.
Have a seat, please.
Have a seat. Do you have any ID on you?
No, I don't have.
You don't have any identification?
It's in my car.
It's in your car? Okay. What kind of car do you have?
I'll pay for it.
What kind of car do you have?
Just don't ruin my name.
Huh?
Just don't ruin my name.
Don't ruin your name?
Yeah. I
Okay.
promise. I pay.
You ruined your own name. So I'm gonna need your name. Have a seat. Do you have anything on your person that may hurt anyone, like needles, knives?
No, I don't have anything.
Don't listen. Put everything down. I didn't ask you to do that. Take off that jacket for me. Put it over here. Don't go in your pockets. Listen to my instructions, okay?
Okay.
Stand up. Take that jacket off. Place it right over here. Right over here. Place the jacket over here. Right there. Put your hands up. Turn around. Okay, have a seat. Have a seat.
All right.
Is this your jacket? I'm sorry? Yes?
It's mine too.
Is this yours?
Yeah.
No, that's mine.
It's brand new.
Yeah. Stop lying, man. Why are you lying?
No, bro, I put it over there in the bag. I'll pay for it.
Those are Ray-Bans.
yeah.
Target.
Can I take a picture of you just for our records?
But there always says like you can pay for it.
No, not at Target. Only at Walmart, not at Target, okay? Target's really serious about theft and all that stuff.
I know, but there's always saying you can pay for it.
At Walmart, not in here. No, you cannot pay for it no more, okay?
What can I resolve it? It's New Year,
So,
please.
I know. Give me just so, ¿por qué está robando, oiga? ¿Por qué?
No, I'm not. I don't speak
You
Spanish.
don't speak Spanish? Where are you from?
Philippines.
Philippines? Oh, okay. When did
But
you get
sir,
here?
listen. I can pay for this. I'm
So late.
professional.
So late. I'm professional too, and I gotta do my job.
Sumaya. Sumaya is your middle name?
Yeah, opo.
Huh?
Opo. Yes, sir.
Okay. And your last name is
Yeah. Listen, I know this stuff. I know that when you do that, you can always pay. So
No, you
don't go through it too much. It's New Year.
I don't
I'm
care
very
if it's New
sorry.
Year.
Please.
I don't care.
Please, sir.
No, you're saying $300,
I'll pay for
$400.
it. I'll pay for
No,
it.
you cannot.
what is your address?
You wrote my
Ma'am,
name.
do me a favor. Don't argue with him.
Okay.
Okay? Everybody has a job to do, right?
Okay.
This is his job, is to catch people who steal, right? If the company has an ordinance that they're not going to let anybody go past a certain amount, then that's his job to continue and follow that ordinance.
Okay.
It's not yours to dictate whether or not he could let you go or now you want to pay for all the shit that you took. Okay?
Can I pay for it? Because I have to give it to somebody tonight, please. It's a birthday. I still have a patient to go. So if I can pay for it, I know
What do you do for a living?
I'm a nurse.
You're a nurse? A registered nurse? Or
I'm a registered nurse.
registered nurse? Okay. What brings you over here?
No, I have a patient nearby here in North Latrobe. So I go past
On North
this.
Latrobe?
Yeah.
Okay.
I didn't mean to like what I said, I'll pay for it. It's New Year. I know Walmart does that, but I know you do.
How many times have you been arrested for retail theft?
No,
Never? What about theft in general?
no, never. It's just first
Okay.
time because I'm rushing.
Okay, let's try this again. How does the name on your license appear? Because you're not coming back with no record. Okay?
We can go to my car,
He
but I
what?
want to pay this because I want to.
Hold on a minute. He what?
Marifi Sumaya
Okay, is the name Sumaya,
middle name.
is that spelled out in your license?
Sumaya. That's Filipino.
Can you give me a copy of the video and stuff?
Yes, sir. You have a USB?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, I can put it in there.
And also, do you have any complaint forms?
Yes, I do.
Are they the new ones?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
For the
Yes. It's the same thing, the same way. You get the number receipt, the same way.
Turn around. Alright, let's go.
I'm not running.
Huh? What'd you
Very
say?
sorry for me.
You're very sorry for you? Okay.
I'm married to a cop.
You're married to a cop? No, you're not.
I am in New Hampshire. Starting. Look it up.
New Hampshire?
Yeah.
Where's that? In the state of New Hampshire? Oh, okay. So he's not a cop anymore?
No, I used to be U.S. Air Force.
Huh?
I used to be U.S. Air Force.
He used to be reserved?
Yeah. My son too.
Pennsylvania's retail theft statute, Title 18, Section 3929 of the Consolidated Statutes, defines the offense as the taking, carrying away, or concealment of merchandise with intent to deprive the merchant of its value. The offense is complete the moment intent to deprive coexists with concealment. Leaving the store is not a required element. A post-detection offer to pay, therefore, carries no legal weight as a defense. The Pennsylvania Superior Court in Commonwealth v. Hopkins held that restitution after detection does not negate a completed offense. In practice, an offer to pay is more often introduced by the prosecution as an admission than relied upon by the defense as exculpation. Both subjects were charged with felony retail theft. Yet under the plain text of Section 3929, a first offense valued under $1,000 is graded as a misdemeanor of the second degree, not a felony. Felony grading requires either a value exceeding $1,000, 2 or more prior convictions, or a firearm. The felony charges here, therefore, imply prior convictions or an organized retail theft enhancement under Section 3929.3. This statutory inconsistency warrants careful review of the criminal complaint at preliminary hearing.
Hey, it wasn't my mom's, okay? It wasn't my fault. It made
You just said you weren't calling the cops.
Yeah, but
You said that 3 different
system
times.
alerted them, so but you have to sign right here.
I'm not signing a blank piece of paper.
Alright, well, I mean, you
There's
still
no
gotta deal with
difference.
them.
Yeah, clearly.
Yeah.
Like, thanks for
So,
lying to me,
Do you
dude.
have your ID or driver's license?
No, I just gave him the information I had. I don't have an ID. I'm trying to catch the bus. This is crazy. I didn't know that he promised he wasn't calling the cops, but I wasn't stealing just to steal, sir.
Okay, but you were stealing them, right? Right.
Am I going to jail or something? Can we get my
How much is it? 664. It's basically all this. It's your last name.
664? Yeah, I'm 18.
All the shopping cart.
Am I going to jail right now?
I don't know.
Are you guys arresting her?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? How do you not know?
Because I don't know what happened yet. I haven't talked to them. I'm just asking you for your information.
I just want to know if I'm going to go
Yeah, I
to
know
jail.
you're in a huge rush.
I'm not in a rush that.
I
wanna know
don't
if I'm
know
going to
if
jail.
you're going to jail. I haven't talked to him yet.
Okay.
Have you heard me talk to anybody but
No,
you since I walked
that's
in here?
what I'm
So
asking.
slow down.
Okay.
You're not going anywhere till we're done.
Yeah, clearly.
Clearly. What's going on?
Basically, she was shot coming in, had a huge bag. She started putting merchandise in her bag as she was walking the floor, found her bag. Then after that, she came up to the front, passed all the check lanes, went downstairs without paying for it, and that's when we brought her up.
Okay. How much stuff has been taken?
664.
Okay. What do you guys want done? Do you want her arrested?
Yeah.
Okay.
Really? Wow. That's crazy.
Okay. Can you take your purse off? You want to stand up?
After all, listening to following you good.
Drop the bag.
We're not checking my stuff.
Nope. Put the bag on the ground. It's behind your back, okay? Okay.
I have a broken napkin. Can I throw this out?
Just drop it
Wait,
up.
do I have to spend the night in jail tonight too?
Huh?
Do I have to spend the night in jail?
We'll explain everything later.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yeah.
I want my bag and my purse.
You'll get it.
Please and thank you.
Nothing illegal in there, right?
No.
That we have to worry about? Guys, we're gonna search.
Yeah, I know.
You have anything on your person? There's a female officer that searches you and lock up.
Good.
I'm not signing that piece of paper because there's nothing on that piece of paper.
Okay.
So,
Gotcha.
yeah. I don't like how that was like that.
Okay.
He lied to me, obviously. Not that it matters. I did something wrong. You know what I mean? Like, I get it. But that's not how this played out.
Nothing else, right?
No.
Because we're gonna have a female search.
That's fine. Oh my god. That was so rude. These f***ing dude, Target sucks.
First of many offenses I'll probably have throughout my almost experience and career. Dude, God, I'm sorry, but I didn't do the crime, so I guess I gotta do. I hope they don't fucking make me spend the night in jail tonight.
The custodial arrests themselves are constitutionally sound. Atwater versus City of Lago Vista permits arrest even for fine-only misdemeanors provided probable cause exists. The absence of valid identification and the inability to verify residence support that discretion. Once arrested, the search incident to arrest doctrine from Chimel versus California authorizes a warrantless search of the arrestee's person and immediate control area. The booking inventory search, recognized in Illinois versus Lafayette, serves administrative rather than investigative purposes and requires no separate justification. Identification questions and contraband inquiries during processing fall within the routine booking exception to Miranda, recognized by the United States Supreme Court in Pennsylvania versus Muniz. The second subject's refusal to sign a citation acknowledgement was legally reasonable. Pennsylvania does not criminalize that refusal. The proper response is custodial processing, not additional obstruction charges. The first subject's 3 inconsistent narratives, offered within roughly 5 minutes, are independently admissible at trial as evidence of consciousness of guilt. On grades, the primary officer earned an A- for procedurally sound conduct with minor tonal lapses. The secondary officer received a B+, substantively correct but verbally coarse. The first subject earned a C- for the 3 contradictory statements just discussed. The second subject earned a C+, weighed by the underlying offense but credited for the absence of fabricated defenses. Target loss prevention earned an A for textbook detention procedure. 4 lessons emerge from this analysis. First, silence and counsel are the only reliable post-detention defense. Improvised explanations almost always worsen the legal position. Second, professional status, family connections, and prior military service confer no legal immunity and may invite skepticism rather than leniency. Third, where felony grading appears inconsistent with statutory thresholds, defense counsel should challenge the grading at arraignment before plea negotiations begin. Fourth, the merchant's referral to law enforcement is not negotiable on scene. Once police arrive, the business has already exercised its discretion to prosecute. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.